Hello friends, so this video will be helpful for all those students who are planning for MS because in this video we are going to discuss quant portion of GRE exam. Out of 340 marks of GRE, 170 marks will be of this portion and it is completely possible to secure 170 out of 170 marks in this portion. So we are starting this series from today onwards and you can follow this series on daily basis. I am going to discuss various topics and questions, answers and quick solutions for the questions as well. So before starting this video, let me introduce myself. I am Poojan Davda and I am ex-IISN MTech Mechanical. In GATE exam, I have secured AIR 66. So these are the major 6 topics of this quant portion. As you can see on the screen, algebra is there, arithmetic, geometry, applied math, data interpretation and data analysis. These are the major 6 topics and these are the type of questions which we can expect in the exam. Multiple choice, single selection question, multiple choice, multiple selection question, numerical entry type questions and quantitative comparison questions. So believe me guys, these questions are very easy and we are starting from algebra portion. Right, so today we are going to discuss algebra portion. Before starting this algebra, we'll be discussing some subtopics so that you can get an idea about the portion. So algebra topic includes operations with exponents, simplifying algebraic expressions, relations, functions, equations and inequalities. Solving linear and quadratic equations and inequalities, solving simultaneous equations and inequalities, also coordinate geometry. Right, these are the topics and let's start from the questions so that you can understand the topic in a better way. As I said earlier, all the questions will be of high school mathematics level. Right? So here is your very first question on your screen. You can pause the video, you can get your answer and then I will discuss quick solution of this question. So we are given with 2 equations, right? X into y square equals to 12 and x into y is equals to 4 and we are supposed to find value of x. There will be 5 options A, B, C, D and E. So be careful while choosing the answer, right? 3 by 4, 4 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 and 1. I will give you one tip that will save your some seconds. If you want to find value of x, then find value of x without finding value of y. Right? If possible, then directly find required value. So in order to get value of x, we have to eliminate y. Here it is y square and यहाँ पर आपका था y. So we can simply take square of second equation. We'll get x into y square is equals to 16. We can take squares on both the sides. And from first equation, we are having x into y square is equals to 12. We can take ratio of the first and second equation and we are going to get value of x. Right? Just take a ratio of the equations. And we have value of x. So x will be 4 by 3. So 3 by 4 is also there in option. So be careful while choosing correct option. So let's move on to the second question. Which of the following is equal to 2 raised to x minus y divided by 2 raised to x plus y for all integers x and y? Options are given to you. 4 raised to minus x, 4 raised to minus y, 2 raised to xy and so on. So we can use the property if you are having a raised to p divided by a raised to q. So if base is same, then you can use this property a raised to p minus q. So yes, we are going to use this property, get answer of this question. As base is same, be careful regarding signs, right? 2 raised to x minus y divided by 2 raised to x plus y. So 2 raised to x minus y minus x plus y. So we got x will be cancelled, we got 2 raised to minus 2y, but 2 raised to minus 2y is not there in the option. We can just simplify this by writing 2 raised to 2 raised to minus 1, right? Will be giving 4 raised to minus 1. Yes, this option will be correct. Option B. If you are having a raised to p and like this, so you can just multiply their powers, or vice versa, you can do it. 2 raised to minus 2y, we can write 2 raised to 2 raised to minus 2y, like this. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. This question is very interesting. How many integers are in the solution set of inequalities? As I discussed earlier, we are going to deal with equations as well as inequalities. So how many integers will be there in the solution set? What is solution? Values of x which will satisfy this inequality. X square minus 10 less than 0. 2, 5, 6, 7 and 10. You can pause this video. Please be careful. Don't be in a hurry. Initially we are focusing on accuracy, correct answer, and then we'll work on time reduction per question. So how many values of x will be there which will satisfy this inequality? Integer values is mentioned because there are infinite real numbers which will satisfy these inequalities. We have to deal with only integers in this question, right? So let's discuss the solution. So x square minus 10 should be less than 0, right? So we can write this x square less than 10. Minus 10 will go on the right hand side, it will become plus 10. So we have to just satisfy this inequality, x square less than 10. You can put x equal to 0. 0 is an integer, right? We can put x equal to plus 1 because 1 square is less than 10. We can put x equal to 2. 2 square, that is 4 less than 10. X equal to 3. 9 is less than 10. X equal to 4 won't satisfy this inequality. So we got these 4 values. We'll also get 3 more values. We can get x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus. Square of minus 2, minus 3 and minus 1 is less than 10, right? So there are 7 solutions, values of x. So correct answer for this question will be option. Don't forget negative values of x, right? If you will say answer is 4, 4 is not there in option, but don't forget negative values, these are also integers, they are also integers, positive integers and negative integers, and 0 is also there. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. The total cost of 8 bagels at a bakery is X dollars. At this cost per bagel, which of the following represents the total cost in dollars of Y bagels? Right? Cost of 8 bagels is X dollars. You will see, sir, dollars यहाँ पर क्यों लिखा है? Because it's GRE exam, so यहाँ पर rupees नहीं होगा, dollars आपको देखने को मिलेगा. So yes, it's very easy question, right? It's very easy question. If the cost of 8 bagels is X dollars, then what will be the cost of Y bagels? You can simply write, you can get 8 bagels in X dollars, right? Then total cost of Y bagels. So just multiply this with this, right? We will be multiplying this 2 and divide by this one. So it will be X into Y divided by $8, right? X into Y divided by 8. So I think yes, option D is correct. XY by 8. So let's move on to the last question. And here is your last question of this video. If m plus n divided by 4 plus 5 is equals to m by 4 plus n by 5, then which of the following statements must be true? These all are multiple choice single selection question because only one option can be correct. Right? According to mathematics, only one can be correct for this type of questions. Yes, you can just simplify this. Right? M plus n divided by 4 plus 5 is 9. And you can just simplify this. You can take LCM, cross multiplication, and LCM 5m plus 4n divided by 20. Right? So 20m plus 20n is equals to 45 times m plus 36 times n. So we are having final answer with us. 25 times m is equals to 16 times n with negative sign with us. Right? So don't forget negative sign. Option E will be correct. Right? Yes. So m plus n divided by 9, 5 m plus 4n divided by 20. 20 times m, 20 times n is equals to 45 times n plus 36 times n. So yes, here is your answer. And my friends, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with this channel and like, share and subscribe with your friends as well. Have a nice day.